Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 2, our body of class 3 EVS. Before starting this chapter, let's read some sentences. So first is tasting a delicious soup made by sister. So which body part will be used? It will be tongue. When we talk about touching a hot iron, the skin is the organ which feels it. Watching a movie, eyes are used. Smelling a nice perfume, nose is used. And when we talk about listening to favorite song, our ears are used. So our body has many parts. The parts that we can see are called external body. Okay, external body parts like hands, legs, nose, eyes and ears are some external body parts. Some parts of our body are inside the body which we cannot see. They are called internal body parts. The heart, brain, lungs, stomach and kidneys are some of the internal body parts. Seeing, hearing, tasting, smelling and touching are our 5 senses. Some body parts help us utilize these senses and know about the world around us. These are called sense organs. The eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin are our sense organ. So let us learn how they work. We have got 5 sense organs: the eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. So we are going to talk about eyes first. Our eyes help us to see around us. We can observe the nature, watch films, read books using our eyes. Our eyes also show whether we are happy, sad or excited. When we are sad, our eyes fill with tears. When we are happy, our eyes twinkle. How do we see? You can see picture of this eye. This is picture of human eye. How we see only a part of the eye when we look into the mirror. The whole eye is like a round ball. The light from an object in front of us enters the eye through the pupil. From here the light enters to the eye. It passes through the lens. Here is the lens. It passes through the lens, okay, and reaches the retina. This is outer wall. Backside wall. When a picture of an object is formed, the retina changes the picture into a message that the brain can read. When the picture reaches this portion, retina, it is changed into a message that is readable by the brain. The brain changes the message into a picture that we can see. It just works like a computer. Okay. Now, problems with eyesight. When any part of the eye does not work properly, we may find it difficult to see clearly. Christy could not see the blackboard from her seat. Her mother took her to an eye doctor. The eye doctor is called an ophthalmologist. The doctor examined and asked her to wear glasses. So you must have seen some students or your teachers or your parents wearing glasses. They might face some problem in their eyesight while seeing. Some people are not able to see the things that are near to them, and some people are not able to see the things that are far away. So what are the reasons that could damage our eyes are here? Watching too much television, as you people do nowadays, using the mobile phone for a long time, it is very bad for your eyes, and reading in dim lights. We should never read in dim lights. Whenever the light is proper, then only we should read. People who can see things that are far away, but not things that are near, are long-sighted. Means the person who are not able to see the things that are near, they are known as long-sighted. Okay, means long-sighted means they are able to see the far distance things but not the closer one. People who can see things that are close by but not the ones that are far away are short-sighted. Means their sight is very short. They can see the things that are near to them. As people grow old, their sights also become weak. So they often need glasses to see clearly. You must have seen your grandparents wearing glasses like this. Now, next part of the chapter, Braille. Have you heard about Braille? I am going to tell you, don't worry. Some people are not able to see the world around us. These people are called blind or visually impaired. Visually impaired means the people who are not able to see. Visual means to see. They use their sense of hearing, touch and smell to know about things around them. They use a special system called Braille to read and write. In this system, a person can use his or her fingers to feel different patterns of raised dots to read and write. It can even be used to read music. It is named after Louis Braille, who developed it. You can see in this picture, visually impaired people use Braille script. Okay, that was discovered by Louis Braille. Okay. Now, taking care of the eyes, how we can take care of our eyes. To understand, you can fill this exercise. First is, do not read or study in dim lights. Okay. Do not read in a moving vehicle. We should wash our eyes early in the morning. We should not rub our eyes with a dirty cloth or with our hands. We must go for an eye checkup regularly. So children, we have studied about eyes. In the next video, we will study about more sense organs. That's all for today. Thank you.